Hi guys, this is your girl Shorty B, back with another video. And today we're going to be making St. Louis style baby back ribs with my special sauce. And we're going to get 3 meals out of it. I have a small baby back rib because you know it's only myself. But we're going to get 3 meals out of it. You know that's my favorite thing. These are the baby back ribs, St. Louis style. We're going to go out and put them in the air fryer for about 25 minutes and see what they do from there. And then we're going to come back and make our barbecue sauce. Okay, we have our ribs in the air fryer. We're going to turn it on to, I'm going to say, we're going to do 25 minutes. We're going to start making our barbecue sauce. We need 1 pot. You're going to need barbecue sauce of your choice, hot sauce of your choice. You're going to add 1 cup of sugar. You're going to add 1 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor, and you're going to pour barbecue sauce in the pot. Let me get a spatula. Pour our barbecue sauce in the pot. Then you're going to pour your honey. Then you're going to pour your cup of sugar. Vanilla flavor. And last but not least, your hot sauce. Now we're going to put this over the stove and let it simmer for like 5 minutes. Then we're going to check on our baby back St. Louis style ribs. Ooh, this barbecue, you can smell it. It smells so good. So delicious. Now we have all our ingredients. We're just going to stir it all together. So hungry too. So we're going to let that simmer and let all those ingredients work itself together. And you can smell the sweetness. Okay guys, going to check on our ribs and see what they're doing. Okay, our ribs been cooking for 35 minutes and this is how they look. Really good. So take them out. Now we're going to put the baby back ribs inside of the sauce. And we're just going to stir it around. The sauce is already done. Delicious. Look at that. Oh, that sauce. I cut some of them up. Yes, yes, yes. This is one of our first meals that we're getting out of the baby back rib. Baby back ribs, mashed potatoes. If you want to do the mashed potatoes, I have a link down below. This is our second meal. Remember we made the vegetarian spinach? This is our leftover baby back ribs, spinach, and mashed potatoes. Our second meal. This is our third meal. Our baby back ribs and sweet potato pie. Yes, baby back. Our 3 meals with our 1 slab of St. Louis style baby back ribs. All 3 meals. This is your girl Shorty B. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel.